Right now, someone in your life does not respect you. And the scary part is, it is not because of anything you said, it is because of what your body is saying without you even knowing it. By the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to fix that, and nobody will ever overlook you again. Here's what nobody tells you. Respect is not given to the loudest person in the room. It's not given to the smartest or the most talented either. Respect is given to the person who carries themselves like they have already earned it. And right now, your body is sending signals that are costing you respect every single day. The good news? Every single one of those signals can be changed, starting today. 1. Control your pace. Watch someone who is nervous walk into a room. They rush, they move fast, like they're afraid of taking up too much space. They nod too quickly, they answer before you finish talking. Every single movement is screaming one thing: I need your approval. Now watch someone who commands a room. They move slow, not lazy, deliberate. They sit down slowly, they respond slowly, they look around slowly. Their whole body is saying, I am not in a rush because I do not need anything from you. That energy is impossible to ignore. Slow everything down by 20% starting today. Your walk, your gestures, the speed at which you turn your head. Watch how fast people start treating you differently. 2. Hold eye contact just long enough. Most people either avoid eye contact because they're nervous or they stare too hard trying to look confident. Both are wrong. Both make you look weak. Respected people hold eye contact naturally. They look at you like what you're saying actually matters, and when they look away, they do it slowly, not like they got caught. Simple rule: 70% eye contact while someone is talking. Break it gently, not suddenly. That one habit alone will make you the most present person in any conversation, and presence is respect. 3. Stop over-explaining yourself. Someone questions your decision, and what do? Most people immediately start justifying, defending, listing every single reason why they did what they did, and the more they explain, the weaker they sound. Respected people do not do that. They respond with one line: that's the decision I made. Full stop. No apology, no nervous laugh, no paragraph. Over-explaining is begging for approval. The moment you stop doing it, people stop questioning you, because your silence tells them your decisions don't need their permission to stand. 4. Take up space. Look at how most people sit in a room full of people they don't know. Elbows pulled in, shoulders forward, standing near the wall like they're trying to disappear. Every single one of those things is telling the room, I'm not sure I belong here. The most confident person you know doesn't do any of that. They sit wide, they stand planted, they don't shrink for anyone. Shoulders back, chin level, feet planted. Let your body say what your mouth doesn't need to. I belong here, I'm not moving, and I'm completely comfortable with that. 5. Stop reacting to everything. Here's the fastest way to lose every room you walk into. React to everything. Get annoyed when someone cuts you off. Flinch when someone takes a shot at you. Roll your eyes when someone says something stupid. Every reaction hands your power to someone else. The most respected people in any room have an emotional shield. Things land near them, but nothing visibly shakes them. Someone tries to get under their skin, and they either respond with total calm or they say nothing at all. Not because they don't feel it, because they know their reaction is currency, and they don't spend it on people who don't deserve it. Next time someone tries to shake you, pause, breathe, stay calm. Watch how fast the whole room shifts in your favor. Next, leave before they want you to. Most people stay too long. They linger, they wait to be dismissed, they hang around hoping someone will include them more. Respected people don't wait for permission to leave. They wrap up on their own terms and walk out while the energy is still good. Every time you leave on your terms, you remind the room that your time has value, and people respect what they can't hold on to. None of this requires you to say a single clever thing. None of it requires a perfect comeback or a loud voice or a rehearsed speech. It just requires you to stop shrinking, stop rushing, stop reacting, stop begging for approval with your body language. Start moving through the world like someone who has already decided they're worth respecting, because the moment you make that decision, every room you walk into will feel it. Hit the like button if this hit different. Subscribe because next week it gets even better. Drop a comment and tell me which one of these you're starting with today. See you in the next video.